Hello everyone and thank you for joining my course, which is Assembly Language for Hackers and Pentesters. Let's talk about who can join this course. So, ethical hackers and pentesters, computer science students, programmers, malware analysts, and anyone who wants to learn something new in computer science can take this course. Now let's talk about skills which are needed to understand this course. The first skill which you should know is programming language, which means you should know the fundamentals of a programming language. The second skill which you will need in order to follow this course is Linux basics, which means you should know how to do basic administration tasks in Linux administration. So only these two skills are enough for you to get going into this course. So that's all for now. I will meet you in the next part of this tutorial. Till then, goodbye.